Part D of example 3. How long does it take for the ball to return to the ground? Well, let's think about that. If we launch the golf ball from the ground, the height would be 0. And when it lands on the ground again, the height will also be 0. So what we have to solve is this equation. 0 equals the function. So we have 0 equals negative 16t squared plus 80t. So let's factor out a negative 16. So we get negative 16 and a t times t minus 5. That will all equal 0. So clearly negative 16 is not equal to 0. That's a factor, but that's not 0. But t could be 0, and that's where we started the launch of the golf ball. Or t could be 5, because t minus 5 could be 0, and solving that, we get t equals 5. So let's confirm all of these results graphically. Let's start with part D. We have the point where we started the ball, 0, 0. We have the point where the ball landed back on the ground was at time 5 because the height was 0 again. Now from parts B and C from the previous video, remember we found the maximum height happened at 2.5 seconds. And that height was 100 feet. And then from part A, we just plugged in time of 4 and we found that the height was 64 feet. So at 4 seconds, the height was at 64 feet in the air.